The Art of Woodworking. Free download, link in description. Top 3 Best 18V Router. Number 3. 18V Octane Cordless. The new 18V Rigid Octane Cordless Brushless Compact Router is perfect for professional-grade jobs around the house and DIY enthusiasts. With its high-performance brushless motors and advanced electronics providing best-in-class power with all rigid batteries, this tool delivers up to 15% more than previous models, making it a great choice whether you're working on big projects or small tasks. All rigid tools include lifetime coverage of service and parts. Coming in 2. Ryobi 18V 1 Plus. The Ryobi 18V 1 Plus trim router is designed to give you the perfect edge with 29,000 RPM and an extra compact design for fine routing. The kit comes complete including P601 router and a battery charger. The Ryobi cordless router offers an adjustable cut depth to match your desired application and has micro-adjusting for dialing into specific settings. It's made with a durable aluminum base that provides stability as well as accuracy, making this one of the best models on today's market. Coming in number 1. Makita XTR01T7. Makita's new 18V LXT brushless compact router kit, model XTR01T7, ensures that you never have to worry about power loss with its efficient Makita BL brushless motor. With up 50% longer runtime and speed than competitors, this kit is perfect for those who need greater productivity from their equipment. The two 5Ah batteries reach full charge in only 45 minutes, which means less downtime do at work or home, while also giving users quick access when they need it most. Tool-free bit changer system makes it easy to change out tools without taking apart your panel. There is an on-off button with a separate lock button that helps prevent accidental startups, while features such as soft starts and precise rack and pinion adjustments will get you more accurate results in no time. The sleek design of this tool means comfort is a priority. This cordless router is made from durable aluminum to last.